most merciful, the most gracious. Excellency, for Abiyani Peninda, as Director Pesantren Sekolah Melari Bandinda, Honorable all my teacher, my friend, junior and senior high school Lari Bandinda, the respectable, my mom and dad, and beloved my family. My name is Binti Sania Salkarima from 10th grade senior high school Lari Bandinda. I want to present imagination my map. The title is The Causes and Triggers of Sneezing. The causes, triggers of sneezing, the definition is one of our body's most common sections, but we don't often take the time to stop and think about how and why it happens. Next, the sneezing reflex. The sneezing reflex is our bodies are complex machines with the irritation of the nasal lining as sensed by the cilia on these cells. Motor nervous to pharyngeal, laryngeal, respiratory, and nervous increasing nasal and tear secretion. Next is the last branch. The last branch is before sneezing. This before sneezing is pressure will sharp in your chest as your cheek. Muscles compass your lungs, your vocal cord close. I think enough. Thanks for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.